morning and welcome to day 2 of Babe's Ride Out Borrego Springs. It is about 8:30-ish in the morning. A bunch of ladies are gonna go on a group ride. I'm gonna go with another group of ladies to this really cool art installation out in the middle of the desert. So let's hop on the bike and check it out. Alrighty, it's quite breezy out today, but we are out here on our way to a place called East Jesus. It's in Slab City, which is a really cool off the beaten path place here in Southern California. And it's just a small group of us. We have Megan leading up there. And then behind me we have Laura, Stephanie, and Sil. And it's a beautiful day out today. I thought it was going to be cold, but it's an amazing day out today. A little bit breezy, but it's nothing too bad for sure. Definitely feel I can feel the wind push the bike around, but it should be a really chill ride. It's mostly like straight roads. She said the roads are gonna probably be a little bit janky, but it is what it is. Not much to look at around here, but you honestly can't beat these straight roads. They're pretty fun. And I'm so glad I get to do it on a motorcycle. Now, I did not sleep very well last night. Just how I am when I camp. I was warm enough. I was comfortable enough. I just don't sleep well when I camp. My brain never goes into deep sleep. So I'm a little bit tired, but we're gonna do this ride, and then when we come back, I will probably take a much needed nap. Wow, look how beautiful that is. It's a beautiful day out. It was supposed to be a lot warmer, but I'm glad that it cooled down a lot because this is such an amazing, perfect ride weather-wise. I'm very familiar with this area. This is where Chris and I come out with the truck and the dirt bike. So this is all familiar territory for me. But once we reach the end of this highway, get on the next highway, that's a little bit more new territory, but it's just another highway with a bunch of agriculture fields. So again, nothing too beautiful to look at necessarily, but I am really excited for the destination because I've never been to Slab City. Oh boy. Crazy because you don't even really feel like any kind of wind more than the road wind. But obviously it's pulling the sand across the highway. Alright, so it looks like we are turning around. I mean, the ride back's gonna be a little bit crappier because there's now a headwind. But now we have a huge headwind that we're gonna have to fight on the way back. I'm definitely glad I decided to put my windscreen back on. That's okay. I definitely prioritize safety over pretty art. And if one of the girls doesn't feel safe, then I'm 100% okay with skipping out on the ride. Well, this turned into an adventure. I had a feeling it was going to be like this out here, mainly because it was supposed to be raining at home, and usually when it's raining at home, it's really windy out here. That's right, we'll make our way back to camp, reconvene, and maybe I get to take that nap a little bit earlier. Alright, we are back at camp. That was a wild ride. We stopped and got some much needed food, so I'm full, but I am tired. So I'm gonna go take a quick nap. And we have a party tonight, neon themed, so my bike is the perfect color for this year's theme. But anyways, I'm gonna go take a nap and see you guys on the flip side. Alright, that was day 2 of Babes in Borrego. I did go on a ride that I didn't record because I thought it was going to be short, but we did a photo shoot for Ride to the Warehouse. That was amazing. I had such a blast. If I could find any footage of it, I'll put it in here. The ride back to camp was so beautiful. It was raining, it was windy, but there was rainbows and the sky just looked so spectacular. And then we got back to camp and just had our homecoming party with a neon theme. Of course, my Rebel already fits in, but I had a whole getup. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was an amazing trip. Tomorrow we get to ride home. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.